So this is exactly how to connect your GameSir Cyclone 2 controller to your phone. So it depends on which phone you're going to connect it to. If you want to be able to connect it to your iPhone, you have to click on the B button together with the home button here until it's gonna start shining blue right here, as you can see. But if you want to be able to connect it to your Android phone instead, you have to click on the A button together with the home button here at the same time instead, until it's gonna shine yellow here. And what you also need to do, by the way, is to click on this button and this button, and that is for both ways to connect it, by the way, until you can see that it's gonna start blinking really fast. Now it's in pairing mode. You have to do the same if it's for iPhone, by the way, as well, just so you know. And then I'm just gonna go into my phone here. This is an Android, so I'm just gonna open up my settings, go to Bluetooth, and then you can see GameSir Cyclone 2 here, so I have to click on it and then click on pair. And now it's connected here to my phone, as you can see. And once again, it's exactly the same thing if you're going to connect it to your iPhone. I'm just gonna show it as well, by the way. I'm just gonna unpair this one real quick, and I'm going to show you how it's gonna look on your iPhone. So I'm just gonna close my Android here and open up my iPhone here real quick. So you can see here's my iPhone. So if I want to be able to connect it to my iPhone instead, I'm gonna click on the B button together with the home button. It's gonna shine blue here, and then also click on this one and this one at the same time until it's gonna, shine really fast here once again. And then click on settings, then click on Bluetooth, and then just wait for it to connect here. Sometimes we have to close Bluetooth and reopen it again on our iPhone, and then just wait for the controller here to appear. Hopefully it's gonna appear here soon. Might be a little bit slow sometimes, I guess. Let's close it again, reconnect it again here. Oh yeah, here it is. So it's actually called a DualShock 4 wireless controller for some reason on our iPhone. But you can see now the light will stay consistent, meaning that it's now connected to your iPhone. So basically that is exactly how to actually do this.